A powerful sandstorm hit the Turkish capital today. Large beige dust clouds were approaching the city, and it looked, of course, bizarre. Photos and videos of the impending storm have been posted online. People have shared videos of the storm approaching the city. Several people took to Twitter to share visuals of what it looked like, and at the moment it all seems so apocalyptic. The high winds affected at least 6 people, officials said. Massive dust clouds in Sahara Africa covered the Caribbean on their way to the USA. People share photos of hazy skies and beautiful sunset due to dust plumes. The sandstorm first hit the Poladi area and then covered the whole of Ankara. These strong winds also accompanied lightning strikes, which led to minor fires, according to Mayor Polatli Mursal. The clear sky was clouded by massive clouds of dust. Videos of the oncoming storm, as well as what the city looked like right after it, have been posted online and are certainly intimidating.
Cihanbeyli'den Konya istikameti kilometre 12 civarları.
Kaç tane kamyon birbirine girmiş oğlum? Yani 2 tane değil ki.
The impressive winter storm may have caused the amount of snowfall to rival Italy's 1970 world record. According to MediaWeb, 90 centimeters of snow was measured in about 18 hours in the city of Capricotta, which is located about 150 kilometers east of the center of Rome in the Apennine Mountains, at an altitude of 1,421 meters above sea level. In the village of Pesco Costanzo, 75 centimeters of snow also rose. The slow-moving storm Arwen, which caused this huge snow dump in Highland Italy, also triggered a massive hurricane that knocked down trees in Tuscany, as well as other parts of Italy, Bosnia and Croatia. Strong winds can blow snow into large drifts. In Capricotta, Italy, wind gusts exceeded 100 kilometers per hour. Despite this, there were no reports of destruction or casualties from the authorities. Ambulance teams in southern Spain cleared 500 roads and rescued more than 1,500 people trapped in their vehicles, slowly escaping the country's worst snowstorm in recent memory. Up to 50 centimeters of snow has been recorded since last night. Much of the country remained impassable as roads, railways and air links were disrupted by the storm. Transport Minister José Luis Ábalos said crews had cleared 2 runways at the international airport and departures had resumed. Arrival will start again if time permits. More than 150 roads were impassable. Authorities said all car trips should be postponed and snow chains should be needed for unavoidable trips. They said everyone stuck in their cars because of the snow had been rescued, but hundreds of cars had to be returned after being abandoned by drivers. The storm subsided as it moved east, but authorities are still urging people to stay home to reduce the risk of falls on icy streets as it approaches a front. According to forecasts by the Spanish Meteorological Service, in some areas the temperature will drop to 14 degrees below zero.
The first storm of the season, which has left snowfalls and torrential rainfall, begins to subside, although this Wednesday 9 communities remain on alert for snow and heavy rains, which in Catalonia will leave up to 60 liters per square meter in 12 hours. After more than 150 liters dropped yesterday in southern parts of Tarragona, today it is expected that it will continue to rain heavily in parts of the communities of Asturias, the Balearic Islands, Cantabria, and Catalonia. where the yellow warning persists, according to data from the State Meteorological Agency. In Asturias, the intense rains registered in recent days have placed 5 rivers on alert for possible floods and another 3 on pre-alert, according to the Cantabrian Hydrographic Confederation on its website. The rivers that are in a situation of alert are the Sella as it passes through Cangas de Onís and Ariondas, the Linars, in Villaviciosa, El Badon, in Rails, the Cares, in Mier and the Deva, in Pains. As a curious fact, it should be noted that the Ebro Observatory collected a total of 204 liters of water per square meter on Tuesday, the highest amount in Catalonia and the third record with the most rainfall in the more than 100 years of history of this meteorological observatory. The previous records of more rain in a day in this observatory, located in Roquetes, Tarragona, were on September 19, 1943, when 265 liters were collected, and on September 30, 1901, with 224.8 liters per square meter.